Hello, this is Chris Smith from the Eagle Tribune sports writer, author of the blog Smitty on Baseball, here talking about the Boston Red Sox. As usual, today I want to talk a little bit about John Lackey, his stats in 2010, what he needs to improve on in 2011. One area that he needs to improve on that ESPN.com recently noted was his work against left-handed batters. Left-handed hitters, he struggled against left-handed hitters last year. Left-handed hitters hit .298 against him with a .364 on-base percentage, while righties hit .251 against him with a .307 on-base percentage. So this is definitely one area of concern for John Lackey, as he needs to improve. If he's going to have a bounce back year, he's going to have to improve against left-handed hitters. That's what ESPN.com noted, and it's true. He struggled with his control against left-handed hitters. He walked 47 left-handed batters last year, so that was problematic. If you look at John Lackey, he had a high whip last year, his highest of his career, 1.419 whip, walks and hits per innings pitched. So he needs to decrease the walks and he needs to decrease the hits per innings pitched. It starts right with left-handed batters. He just needs to work better against left-handed batters. In his career against left-handed batters, lefties have hit .273 against him with a .334 on base percentage. So he definitely needs to do a little better. In his best season in 2007, left-handed hitters hit .280 against him with a .330 on base percentage. He needs to get back down to about that range this upcoming season. He needs to be in about that range for him to have a successful year. I'll talk a little bit more about John Lackey on the blog in the next couple days, what he needs to do to improve. Right now, I just wanted to focus on him and left-handers. I'll be talking about some other areas of John Lackey's pitching game that he needs to improve on. But right now, I think that's the first important step is against left-handers. Okay, this is Chris Smith, Eagle Tribune sports writer. I hope you have a good Tuesday. See you back on the blog tomorrow.